Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to permanently delete your Twitter account or X account. First thing you do is open up your X app, then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, go down, tap on settings and support, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on your account, then tap on deactivate account. Down, you tap on deactivate. Now, once you start the process of deactivating your account, your display name, that is your username, public profile, will no longer be viewable on x.com, X for iOS or X for Android. Also, you can restore your X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. Some account information may still be available in search engines such as Google or Bing. If you just want to change your username, you don't need to deactivate your account. You can simply edit it in your settings. To use your current username or email address with a different X account, change them before you deactivate your account. If you want to download your X data, you will need to complete both the request and download process before deactivating your account. Links to download your data cannot be sent to deactivated account. So after reading through this, you can tap on deactivate. Then you confirm by putting in your password. After putting in your password, tap on deactivate at the bottom here. And once that is done, your account is deactivated. Now, to permanently delete your account, do not log in or re-enter this account for 30 days and it will be permanently deleted. But if you log in again or re-enter this account within the 30 days, your account will be deactivated but not permanently deleted. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to permanently delete your Twitter account. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.